Hold everything, fatso! This is your lucky day. Our currency is nothing. But I've got a very important appointment. I'll say you have. My card. Yes, sir. Daffy Duck, personal representative of the most sensational discovery since the Flipper Girl. He's colossal, stupendous. One might even go so far as to say he's mediocre. I give you that paragon of pep and personality, Sleepy Lagoon. He's the sweetest chocolate candy, and just like honey from a bee. Oh, I just want upon Henry. He's wild about cannot do without. He is from the south. Can't you hear me shout? Talking with my mouth. Could you ever doubt? He's just wild upon me. The kid says his lips for no applause. Hooray! Hey! He takes a bow. They're screaming for an encore. Encore! Give us more! We want more! There's some more. Ah, but does the kid give him another song? No. He makes with a banjo solo. Like so. Just a minute, Joey. You ain't seen half of the kid's repertoire. Well, here's one the kid does that you like. Woo-hoo! La da 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 da.